Differentiator. Differentiator. As the name implies, the circuit performs the mathematical operation differentiation. The output waveform is derivative to the waveform. The differentiation may constructed from the basic inverting amplifier if an input resistor differentiation may constructed from a basic inverting amplifier input resistor R1 is replaced by a capacitor C. The expression for the output voltage can be obtained by KCL equation written notes V2 as follows. Since the differentiator performs the reverse of integrator function, thus the output voltage V0 is equal to RFC. The times of negative rate of a change of the input voltage Vin with the time. The negative sign indicates 180-degree phase shift of an output waveform V0. The gain of the circuit RF and XC are with the R in frequency at the rate of 20 decibels decade. This makes the circuit unstable. Also, input impedance XC1 switch are in the frequency which makes the circuit very successful. This diagram shows the value of an differentiator, the gain of the circuit RF by XC, and the negative sign indicates the 180-degree phase shift, and also input impedance XC switch R in frequency which makes the circuit very successfully high frequency. So this is a graphical representation where the open loop happens, closed loop response of a practical differentiator, closed loop response for the practical differentiator, the frequency and gain values to be denoted. The partial differentiator. A work differentiation can be designed by implementing the following step. Select FA equal to the highest frequency of an input signal differentiator that assuming value C1 and 1 mu. Calculate the value of RF. Choose FB B is equal to 2 of A. Calculate the value of an R1 and the CF so that the R1 C1 is equal to RF CF. And it uses in the wave shaping circuits to detect the higher frequency in output signal, also rate the input signal, also rate changes in the detector in waveform modulation. The graph output representation is to be like the square wave inputs output for A, sinusoidal inputs output for the C. So it's an integrator, a circuit which output voltage waveform of the integral input waveform integrator or integration amplifier. Such circuits are obtained using a basic inverting amplifier configuration from feedback resistor replaced by the capacitor CF. The expression for the output voltage can be given by the Kirchhoff's voltage law equation. Thank you.